Opcode's Open Music System, or OMS, offers numerous capabilities. First, it's software that allows your computer to communicate through a MIDI interface with all of your MIDI hardware, such as synthesizers, drum machines, effects devices, or MIDI controllers. OMS handles all this complex data communication so that your MIDI applications don't have to. 2. It provides a central location called a studio setup document in which you store a detailed description of the MIDI devices in your studio, such as their names, their MIDI channels, and how they're all physically connected. All of your OMS-compatible applications refer to this studio setup document, which means, for example, that you can select MIDI devices by name in an OMS-compatible MIDI sequencer. If you modify your MIDI studio, you need only tell OMS about the modifications and all of your OMS-compatible applications are automatically aware of the change. You'll learn more about creating and modifying studio setup documents in a later lesson. 3. It provides a patch name management tool, appropriately called the Name Manager, which organizes the names of all of the patches in your MIDI devices and provides that information to your OMS-compatible MIDI applications. This means, for example, that in your MIDI sequencer you can select patches by name. If you load new patches into your synthesizer, simply tell the Name Manager and all of your OMS-compatible applications are automatically aware of the change. Additionally, if you have an OMS-compatible name provider like Galaxy, it will update the Name Manager automatically, providing a totally invisible solution to handling patch names in MIDI applications. You'll learn more about working with the Name Manager in a later lesson. 4. It handles all of your computer's internal MIDI timing so that you can run multiple OMS-compatible applications simultaneously and in perfect synchronization. 5. It gives you access to hundreds of MIDI channels. The actual number of MIDI channels that OMS can access depends on which MIDI interface you own. The different types of MIDI interfaces are discussed in your next OMS lesson.